To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. If you haven't created your avatar yet, tap Avatar from the list of options and create one. Then, tap your profile picture at the top. Below your profile picture, tap Edit. From the menu that appears at the bottom, select Avatar. A confirmation window will appear from the bottom explaining how this works. Tap Continue. You will see different background colors and avatar poses. Choose the one you like. And then tap Add Avatar to Profile. That's it. Now your WhatsApp profile picture will include your avatar as an additional image, and when someone swipes your profile picture, they will be able to see the avatar as well. So that's how you can add an avatar to your WhatsApp profile picture.